There we go. Little one. There you go.
There's a little minnow. That bad.
There we go. Rainbow. Swallowed it. There we go. So I got my salmon peach rig on, the size 22 hook. I just caught one right here. As soon as it hit the water, he grabbed it too. It's pretty deep out there. There's a down tree. It's a steep bank here. A lot of trout like to sit right in front of here. Like that one right there. He didn't even battle. Nice one. Alright. There he goes. Alright, so I just caught one right here. I caught two right in front here. I'm catching them right about right there. Maybe out just a little bit further, but right in there is when they're grabbing it. As soon as it hits the bottom. Oh, man. Just missed him. Using some salmon peach. My size 22 hook. Just put a real little ball on. Real little ball. That's all you gotta do. My switch shot gotta go up just a little bit higher, yeah. Oh, I got a big one. I got a big one. I got a big one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, buddy. Come on. Oh, well, he gets off, he gets off. I don't really care. Oh. About 15, 18, 16 incher. A little bit better, maybe.
That's not the hook, though.
No, it ain't. Grab him. He's gonna get off like that. Come on, grab him quick. Well, there you go.
Got him inside now.
Whoa. I'm gonna drop him. I'm gonna drop him.
I got him.
And drop. Here, move him down here. Move him down here. You wanna get? Yeah. No, I don't have him. You wanna keep? No, alright, we'll let him go. It'll be a good one to let go. You have pliers. Get a picture quick. I wanna get him back in the water. That is a good weight. That's a good one there. Especially for holdover. Oh, I'm recording, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, there we go. There's a first nice trout. That's the first nice one of the year. About 17 incher.
Nice trout.
That is a nice one.
All right, show them how you let them go.
Nice and easy.
All right, come on.
There you go. There he goes. That's how it's done. That's how it's done.
Watch your rod.
Oh yeah, I gotta watch my rod. So I'll get back to you at the next one here. There we go. There we go. Nice little rainbow. Right top of the mouth. There it goes. You got one. There we go. There it goes. There we go. There we go.
There's a monster. You mean you got a big one?
Mm-hmm.
Brother, we could almost eat that.
Out. Ooh, I had a bite. You got one.
I wonder if they, maybe when I hook that big one down there, it's scared.
Look at that brookie. That is a nice brookie there.
Nice color on it.
Uh-huh.
I wasn't expecting to get that. He was probably hiding under that tree all year.
Alright, well I'm fishing these rapids right here. Ooh, I had a bite. It's hard to know that when you're getting a bite here because your line's drifted all the way down to the bottom. And we're gonna move up to that hole next, right there. But we're fishing these little rapids. A little piece of salmon peach on there. We're smashing it. Oh, I just missed him. Just had one. Alright, get back out there and try to get him this time. 2 times I missed one right here. Right in there, and they're hitting it. There we go. Got him that time.
I don't think you took the hook hard enough.
Yeah, I don't think I did either. That is what you call a little one. That's a little trout there. Hook out the top of his mouth. He's gonna make me get my pliers out.
I would have thought I would have caught a brownie before a brookie in 2018, but
There he goes. Yeah, I think I'd take a brookie any day. And not a bad brookie either. That's one of them ones from last year.
now if that one's that size, imagine which one's from hatchery. They've been eating all of it.
There's only one day to go till it closes. It closes on Tuesday. Well, Thursday it closes.
Man, are they
So trout closes in about 3 days.
tomorrow?
Well, tomorrow it closes.
Tomorrow's the last day.
Yep, tomorrow's the last day of trout fishing. And it's really warm out right now, so we're catching them right before it closes. So videos are going to be scarce then. Maybe some pan fishing or something. It'll be slow. But after that, then there'll be a lot of action again. Oh. Yeah, Menard Youth Day, I'll be catching them. Alright, we're gonna get another one here. Tangled. But hopefully I'll have some, maybe a little bit of catfishing. Catfishing or bass fishing, I'll have something up. I'll find something. I had him for a little bit. I know. I had him. I'm gonna start leaving the lid off my power bait. Getting him every hook, well, missing him every cast here. There's one. Oh, there he goes. But I can tell you one thing, opening day is going to be a blast here. There'll be big ones in here. Yeah. It'll be full of them. Ooh. Not a bad one. It's a nicer rainbow. Come here, buddy. Let's swallow some. Let him go here. Bad one. I'll get some more. There we go. There he goes.